See? Definers. Nice is art. Remember, so I said we can cut it. Nice job. Okay. 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 That was underneath. Prior to using the high speed. Alright. Okay. 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 Use the carbide ball as a keeper. Okay. Okay. So now it's good. So this is the narrowing due to heavy bite. And now you can see it. Just like beautiful fitting. Alright. And then after that I can grind it with the one direction like that. So almost finished then this one, then we can a little bit watch out here because do not make too pointy, otherwise my portion fused metal will get cracked like this. I like. So I have to grind the what look like. The problem is the here. So I'm trying to make the dip as possible, but limited with the space in almost 7/10 millimeter. So I do have a problem about individual looking here. Anyway, otherwise it makes really deep. We're going to add for porcelain after pack, and this is the final product. Alright, so it's coming up 7-star soon. Thank you. Okay, so we finished Titan 7-star cases, which is the chrome cover and the final's highest quality work. Okay. Now, denture setup's really good, except occlusion. So we changed a little bit, the better, or centric stop, and then we finish the restorations. Then we mix articulations, so this is a finer you can get. And also this patient, the reason why we made it, patient only has only these teeth, and also it's long span panic, so they pressure only central. Okay, so we set up, we follow it, and denture teeth was really high, the posterior teeth. So we have to reserve for lower teeth for future partial or implant. So we cannot make like this because it's really low, really high. Because they cannot see the lower. So we finished the definers. Nice is art. we finished that one. Alright, so now patient can make the top of the line. Prosthetics. Alright, cool. Finally, welcome to Patreon, which is we did it. We just did it for you guys. A lot of people wants to come to my laboratory, so wanna touch me, right? We can shake hands together. We can hug together. So I'm trying to give you the more knowledge, everything. Good news today. So you can do online private lesson all the time, which is at least 4 times a month, and then I can give you so many information, which is you learn quite a bit, which is my laboratory, right? I'm working with the daily hands-on, the big cases, the complex cases, so I can explain to you guys. And also I can explain about the business, all right? You want to be the dental laboratory owner? I can tell you how exactly you set up the line, how can you set up the business from the software and materials and the machine, lease, whatever. You want to be a good technicians, I can give you the technical tip with hands-on, just like this, right? But good news is live chat. You can talk to me, you can tell me, so I can explain, so I can make that. I'm trying to give you the better information, just like interactive. So really excited, okay? So we can see you every time, Thursday, 11 a.m.
Subscribe to Luke Kahn's Patreon to receive access to his weekly training sessions with live chat and interactive responses, as well as the many other videos and resources that he will be releasing exclusively on Patreon.
So for example, this is the digital department, and then I can explain to you about how we accept cases from digital way, oral scan, and they can send to us from the easy stuff, and then we can make the implant, we can make how to mount it, how to cross mount it, how to make the wax up, how to print it. So you see the whole different world here today. From the CAD/CAM department from Digital Way, people have so many questions or who wants to learn about the dental laboratory. This is the beginning stage, okay? So we can talk about the scan, about the design, how to accept from the STL file from the doctor, how to make the printed model, how to make the temporizations, how to make the digital denture, when and why. So those things I can explain to you guys regarding materials, what is the cost, what about the time, what about the design scale, so you can get those kinds of things. Right, so another CAD/CAM department, I do have a lot of equipment here, which is the different milling machine, different scanner, and I can explain to you very well about the sintering furnace and which one is better, why is it better, milling strategy, okay, so we can share with you. Those things you can get interactive, you can get it perfectly. So then you can decide it, which one is good, which one is bad. I can attach with a company, I don't get any commission. You can get promo code, you can get a discount too. Alright, this one is an analog, it's a press, wax and press. Then we can explain about how to invest it, how to press it, how to divest it, how to cut it, how to scan it, those kinds of things. This is the beginning stage. We want to be a dental laboratory technicians, and then we would like to explain about regarding the impression. Okay, this is a physical impression. It's not like the digital, but this is an analog. How to prop the model, how to make the model, why do I have to make the model, and then I can explain to you guys about how to articulate it. And this is a beginning stage who wants to be a dental laboratory technician. Hey, this is the cooking shop area, which is I work with so many different ovens, and then I bake every day, and then I can show them detail how can I finish this, which one do I have to finish, why finish different direction. Those things I can share with you guys. But fortunately, I do have a lot of good cases here, which is I work with more than 50 states, and then they send me really good case though. And then regarding the diagnosis wax up, regarding the whole the removable department, those kind of things, and then we can share not only that about the what do you mean removable? Meaning it's not fixed department, just like removable, take in and out. So we give the partial and denture and night guard, the stent and trying, denture teeth, those kind of things. We through all these people, so daily how we fabricate it. So you will get enough information from me. You will get more than $1,000 worth it. Not only this, you have me. Then we talk together, right? Communicating, trying to make you satisfied, and then trying to build you a great, prosper dental laboratory technician. All right? See you soon. Thanks for watching.